Here's another thing I got at the Goodwill shop yesterday for $4. Same price as that fan. This one is badged surround sound, which some people think it has surround sound, but technically it does, because does have a wide setting for the stereo mono type thing. I'll show that off in a minute. But yeah, other than that, there's no other brand name. But if you look at the back, you'll see that it says AM FM stereo radio cassette player recorder. It's a model number 681-3015, catalog number 85129, what's that say? 64. So yeah, oh sorry, my arm was in the way. So yeah. Even though it says surround sound, it's distributed by the JCPenney company of New York, New York. Now Dallas, Texas. But either way, made in Taiwan. So I have reason to believe this was probably made by Sanyo, because one of the bosses at my old job years ago had one similar to this that was badged Sanyo. But I guess the joke is on me. And yeah, here's the front of it. You got normal CR02 and metal for the tape, 3-band graphic EQ, your balance, volume, function, tape being radio off, radio, and phonograph. And the phonograph is right there, so I think maybe it'll work for my iPod. I don't know. Band, AM, FM, mode, mono, stereo, and wide. I mentioned that a minute ago. I'll show that off. And the display, which is right there, which I'll also show off in a moment. So, turn it on and see what we got.
Marcus Mariota is a redshirt junior.
Oh, they're talking sports. Chances whatever.
All your perfect imperfections. Give your...
Turn that down a bit. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but the top one ain't lit because there's very little tuning on that. Bottom one is for the battery, which is very powerful. You could also turn off the VU meter and turn it on to have the VU level. Yeah.
How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful.
Well, let me just put on a stronger station. This'll work. I don't know how this camera's gonna pick it up, but alright, we're done here. Yeah. Now the tape deck, when I tried it at Goodwill, there was no tapes available, but the spindles did spin. But I brought tape out. Yeah. Wham, make it big. Burn me, but whatever. But when I try to play it, nothing. And when I rewind, it struggles. Fast forward, nothing. So I think the belts finally died. But I'm not going to destroy this because this is pure 80s. Pure 80s ghetto blasterness. Or something of that nature. So I guess we're going to conclude this video of the JCPenney surround sound stereo, ghetto blaster, boombox type thing. Until next time, I'm Esky. Thanks for watching. Comment box is open.